Stitchcraft is a brand that's been around for a long time. We're in thousands of magazines. We were the ones doing the original cars for the Fast and the Furious. We've been on plenty of TV shows like Overhauling, Rides, Chop Cut, Rebuild. The parts and pieces that we use the laser to manufacture is everything that goes on these Broncos, from the upholstery for the dash. We build the center console pieces off the laser. The whole interior pieces, it's a one and done. A one and laser and done. So we've been building SEMA project vehicles since the year 2000 for Stitchcraft Interiors, when we started with Mazda getting dollar vehicles. The only way we're able to still get all the sponsors we get is because we deliver high-end quality. But one thing I really get a kick out of was when we got licensing agreements with Mattel. All their Hot Wheel brands run our logo. Jada Toys runs our logo. Right now we're working on a particular project for Rockstar Garage, and Rockstar just happens to be one of our sponsors, and they just brought us in a job where they wanted some hexagons. They wanted them stitched, but we don't have the CNC sewing machine here. So we just lasered them, and they're awesome. Took us 3 minutes and we're done. So the great thing about having a laser and being able to deliver perfection that's repeatable has allowed us to raise our rates. We put all the time in design in the beginning. Anybody that has a laser knows, once you have your pattern in the system and you figure out your speed rate, your power, and that's what we're doing here. We're pushing buttons, we're creating beautiful interiors, and it definitely helps with our bottom line, our profitability, when we're able to deliver something better in less time. It's better for us to be able to quote jobs now. We actually know the time to cut. All around, this thing's improved our profitability quite a bit. So the Hydrogen 2 has improved our business immensely. It's the best of both worlds. I don't see us doing business like this without it. We're at a time now where so much time has gone by and everybody wants one, just like everybody wants a 3D printer, that we're encouraging other people to get them because there's enough customers for everybody. And with the right equipment and the right people to help you, which is what we get with OneLaser, this is a dream come true for us. Everybody needs to have OneLaser, absolutely. If you're interested in checking out Stitchcraft, you can go to our website, stitchcraftinteriors.com or onelaser.com. Check out OneLaser Arsenal, check them out.